Hello and welcome back to Our Twisted Kitchen. Today we're going on the road. We're going out of state. We're going to get away for a few days and go check out Pennsylvania. There's some options down in Philadelphia that we're going to check out. We also have a friend down there who's going to get on the camera with us and make a recipe, make her own recipe. I don't know how to do any of this stuff, so we'll get to know all that information once we get out there. But first, we have to leave. I'm going to stop in Cleveland to get some food. There's a place called Cleveland Vegan that I want to go to. From there, it'll be about a 6-hour drive to Lansdale is where I'm staying, so it's right by Philadelphia. I'll do a little bit of filming on the road, and then most of the filming is going to be done within the next few days because we're going to do a vlog, and this is basically just the beginning of the vlog. So get ready, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and hang on tight because it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you guys are excited for the journey. So subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you gotta do, and I will see you soon. Okay, so I just want to do a quick update. I haven't really gotten very far. I'm still technically in Michigan, but I have about 2 hours until I get to Cleveland Vegan, so I'm gonna go there for like a breakfast first, and then I'll probably just drive all the way through from there because it'll be 6 hours after that. Yeah, I just want to give you a little update. I've gone pee like 3 times already, so let's not keep drinking water and just enjoy the drive. So I will show you guys a little bit more of the drive when I feel that it is safe to do so. And yeah, I'm ready to get going again. Let's do it. All right, so I made it to Cleveland, Ohio. It's been 4 hours or something like that, but I really have to pee, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry enough to try out something new. So I'm gonna go to Cleveland Vegan, which is apparently right around the corner. I'll show you guys what they have, and I'll let you know how it is when I'm done. So I just got out of Cleveland Vegan, and I had sweet ricotta toast, which was amazing. I had vegan ricotta cheese on it with some jam and some blueberries and granola, and it was phenomenal. Whew. I also got the breakfast quesadilla, and like the good foodie I am, I ate all of it in one sitting, so cheers on that. The breakfast quesadilla had Southwest tofu in it with shiitake bacon and cheddar cheese, and there was some pico de gallo on top and some local greens. Really filling meal. I think I will be satisfied until dinner tonight. I really enjoyed everything I had and would definitely come back here so many times. So many times I would come back. That is brunch for today, and then I am on my way now. I have 6.5 hours to Pennsylvania. So it's going to be a long drive, but I just want to go right through so I can get there around 6 o'clock and then have some dinner with Erica and Jeremy, and then call it a day, and then get to filming an episode tomorrow. So All right, so it is the next day. I did meet up with Erica last night, and we went to a place called the Green Fork, and I did not take pictures of anything that I ate because I just wanted to eat food after driving for 10 hours. So we are gonna hopefully make it in time to get some donuts this morning, and then we're gonna get some lunch too from a place called Blackbird. And I'm gonna get a Philly cheesesteak because apparently they have the best one in town. But we have that today, and then we're also gonna be doing some filming of an episode tonight. But I found a park to go to. I wanted to walk and get some nature in, so I'm here now. I have a park that I'm just gonna walk on the trails for a little bit. I don't want to be here for too long, and I don't know. It takes an hour to get to the donut place, so I want to make sure we make it in time. I'm gonna go walk on some trails and get my nature fix in for the day, and then we're gonna just go from there and see what happens. So we're in the car, we're on our way to Vegan Treats to get some donuts. I'm excited, they have vegan cannolis, so apparently there's a lot of options, and I'm gonna be overwhelmed. So let's just see what we have in store, and maybe we'll end up leaving with $80 worth of donuts.
At minimum.
We'll see, but we're on our way there, so I'll see when we get there. So that was a good time.
That was a long time, man.
That was a lot.
Holy
So we have 12 donuts, right?
12 donuts, a sticky cinnamon bun, and a cannoli.
We got a lot going on here. So when we get back, I think we're just going to go through everything because there's a lot to go through.
Well,
and
you
it's
can eat
all...
your strawberry one now.
Yes, I do have that. So let me get it out.
Oh, yeah.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Making my car all messy.
Oh, yeah.
Just kidding.
All right, so I'm just going to try this
Make it messy.
out. It's going to get messy. It's going to fall over the place. Oh my God.
Yep.
What the fuck?
I know, I told you. Did you think I was lying?
Oh my God.
This shit's good.
But
are you moving here yet?
Maybe. I'm considering it now. But yes, this is really good. I was not expecting it to be like as moist as it is.
Oh, good choice of words.
I don't know what else to use. What should I what should I use instead? That's the only word I know to use for this texture. So I don't know, it's not as heavy. I mean it's heavy as a donut,
it's not
right?
Dense, though.
But it's not right, there you go. It's not dense. It's very fluffy and light and
it tastes like the strawberry good humor bars.
Yes, that's exactly what it tastes like. Lots of strawberries. It's great.
Yum.
It's now lunchtime, so we ordered some food from Blackbird Pizzeria, and we're gonna go get some hard cider, and it's gonna be fucking awesome. So I will show you guys what it looks like when we get there. It's called, what is it called? Kurant?
Kurant.
With a K. So there's brewing, there's all kinds of beer and cider and great stuff. So let's do it. So what is this made out of?
Seitan.
This is all seitan? Wow. Oh my god. What the? That's amazing. Why is all this food making me say what the fuck? It's 1 o'clock on Monday afternoon, and Erica and I got really drunk last night, so she's not feeling too well. So I needed to go out. I woke up at like 10 o'clock this morning. I got some water and I took a shower. So I went and got a coffee, and then I went and took like a little walk, and then I realized I should probably get something to eat. So I am here at Gangster Vegan Organics in Pennsylvania, and I am excited. I'm excited to try this out. I need to put these sunglasses on. Damn, these things are huge. Anyways, just based on the outside look of the building, it looks like it's like a lot of raw stuff, so this is going to be perfect for after drinking. I'm excited to go in there and try out what they have and just see what we can get ourselves into. I don't know if they're doing like any indoor dining, so I might have to take it to go. We can find a park somewhere nearby. So let's go inside and see what they have. Okay, so I had to put my phone on the dashboard, but I think this looks pretty good. So I have 3 juices here. There's the Hangover and shit, I don't remember the other ones. But these are all wellness shots. I've never done a wellness shot before. It looks like these are gonna be perfect for how I feel right now. So I'm just gonna take them and hope for the best. I also got this drink here. It's called The Truth, and it's got orange, lemon, pineapple, apple, and love. I'm excited to drink this and start to feel a little bit better. I also got a bowl. It's got a lot of wonderful things on it. I will show you it when we get to a park or something, but I think we're gonna just take these shots and then head out. So, cheers. I'm gonna put a little descriptor down here to let you guys know what's in this, because I don't remember off the top of my head right now. So cheers. Oh my god. Ooh, wow. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's like almost as bad as alcohol. Here's the last one. Downed him. That was intense. That's why we have the juice. Now I can just drink this. And I'm gonna shake it up a little. I don't really know if I'm supposed to or if I have to, but fuck yes. Fuck yes. Damn. That shit's great. Holy shit. Alright, we're going to find a park. Okay, so I'm gonna try out this bowl, this burrito bowl from Gangster Vegan Organics. That juice was fucking amazing, and those shots actually did make me feel a lot better. So this has walnut meat, this has greens, lettuce I think is on here, romaine lettuce, black beans, jalapenos, avocados, tomatoes, brown rice, and there's a cilantro date dressing that's on this too, apparently. So let's try it out. Oh my god. That nacho cheese is everything. Holy shit. So if I can show you this. Amazing, right? Let's get some avocado on there. Yeah! Shit is fire. So I'm not a cilantro person, and by any means. It's weird because like I try to eat it and it just does not agree with me. So to know that it's in here, I can taste it a little bit, but not much. So I think the all the flavors mixing together helps that a lot. Mm. Okay, so it's now dinner time. I wanted to stop at one other place before I leave because I'm leaving very early tomorrow morning. So today is the day to live it up. So I'm going to Triangle Tavern because Erica suggested it, and I didn't know where else to go. So I'm gonna go in there and check out what they have. It sounds like they have some vegan options. They're not a fully vegan restaurant, but they have a lot of options that I can choose from. So I'm excited to see what they have, and I'll probably end up getting like a beer or something to drink, and then yeah. This is in South Philadelphia, and I'll put all the information for this restaurant along with all the other places that I went over this time in the description below, so check that out. I hope you guys are excited. My phone is only at 6%, so I won't get a ton of video, but I want to get something in here. So I'm going to check it out. I'll let you guys know what I think at the end. Okay, so apparently they don't have dine-in right now, so I had to just order something online, and then I'm just gonna have to take it somewhere because I'm an hour away from where I'm staying. So hopefully I can find some sort of a, I don't know, a bench or something to sit on to eat this food. So I got a vegan roast beef, I got vegan mozzarella sticks because I've never had them, and I got polenta fries. So I want to try those out and see what those are like. Okay, so I am back at my Airbnb, and yeah, the Triangle Tavern situation did not work out as well as I'd hoped. I was hoping to stay in there and sit for a little while. Once I realized I couldn't go inside, I wanted to go to a park nearby, but it just got dark, so I was like, okay, I should probably just go back. And it's great because I set up my lights, and I have my food on the floor. I just want to take some pictures real quick and some video to show you guys what I got. I have tried the polenta fries already, and they're amazing. I still have to try the mozzarella sticks though, and I'm super excited about those because Erica said that she thinks I would like them. So let's get into it. Since I already tried the polenta fries, I'm just gonna dig right into these vegan mozzarella sticks here. And I wonder if this cheese is like gooey. Let's watch this. Gooey enough. Not bad. Hmm. I can't tell that they're vegan just because of the way that the cheese is, but I would definitely get these again. I wonder what cheese they use. I don't think it says on their menu. It's really like gooey, like a dairy cheese stick would be. Let's try this. I keep wanting to call this a Reuben, but it's not a Reuben. This is a vegan roast beef, and it's gonna be amazing. Check that out. Hey, let's do it. This is like, damn. I don't know what they use. If it's, I think it's seitan for their roast beef. On point. Yeah. Check out Triangle Tavern. Thanks, Erica, for suggesting them. The shit is amazing.